Panasonic UB420 UB820 UB9000 users, rejoice! After 2 years of using Firmware 1.69, Panasonic released Firmware 1.76. It claims to enhance playback capability and improve error correction. And how to do that? Well, you turn on your UB9000 and then from there go to Setup, go to Player Settings, and from there scroll down all the way down to System. Click OK or Enter. Scroll down to Firmware Update and then press OK or Enter. Scroll down to Update Now and press Enter. Choose Yes and click Enter. And the player will tell you that there's a new firmware update, and of course you want to update the firmware, so you click Yes and press Enter. And a quick second later, the player will start downloading the new firmware update. This is a big firmware, so it will take quite a while before it reaches 100%. After a few eternities later, it will reach 100%. The player turns itself off and start the update installation process. After yet another few eternities later, the entire process is finally done. It took me about 10 to 15 minutes to update the firmware from start to finish. Of course, when I'm done with my UB9000, I did the exact same thing with my other UB9000 and my UB820. With regards to how effective this firmware update is, quite honestly, I cannot really tell. The reason being is that because I never had any problem with any of my player reading any disk. But a firmware update is always welcome for me. And I always recommend people to update their firmware to the latest version. So if you find this video to be useful, or even if it's not, leave your thoughts in the comments down below. And don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as it helps my channel grow tremendously. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.